You may have heard about health officials telling people to double up when it comes to face masks. But does it give you more protection against COVID-19?
Our Justina Coronel goes to local health experts to get some answers.
Are two better than one? This may be the case for mask wearing.
Do you think this idea of double masking came up because there are new variant strains that are, very contagious?
I think it became a more prominent idea because they are more transmissible. So that means, the probability that you would become infected is higher.
A single piece of cloth is not sufficient. That's what WashU infectious disease specialist Dr. Hilary Babcock says.
You don't have a mask that's thick enough, then you might, wearing two one-layer masks would be better than wearing one-layer mask.
She explains this 2-for-1 combo makes sense in certain situations, crowded areas with limited circulation.
Feel like your mask doesn't fit your face well or is gaping on the sides and you feel like a second mask over it would hold it in place better, then that might provide some value.
Head of the Pandemic Task Force, Dr. Garza agrees with the more layers mentality.
More is always good. There is some limit to it.
So you're probably wondering, why stop at 2 masks? Why not add a third one? Well, I'm told adding layers improves filtration. That works to a certain point. If multiple masks make it too hard to breathe, air could flow out to the corners.
If it has big gaping holes, openings on the side that you can put your whole hand through, it's not really, doing its best work.
Dr. Babcock explains it's quality, not quantity, though. Her suggestion, make sure it has layers.
If you are wearing a cloth mask, it should have multiple layers. Surgical masks already have several layers and a filtering process that's built into them.
When it comes to face coverings, though, Dr. Garza says he just wants you to wear one.
I'm really happy if I see everybody wearing a mask.
Justina Coronel, 5 on your side.
Dr. Garza says N95 or surgical masks filter airborne particles at a higher rate. The idea of double masking comes into play depending on the environment you're in and the crowds you're with.